Hey, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. Crazy morning so far. Big time sell off. Let's see. We had, I think, unemployment came out today. So that's probably, yeah, it was the initial jobless claims. Um, but the market was already looking down before that. Um, Looks interesting. Definitely looks interesting. Let's look at this 4 hour. Hopefully everyone's doing all right today. Feel free to say hello. Hey, what's up, Apple? How's it going? So the other day, I was looking for a drop. I think it was, oh boy, it was in here somewhere. You gotta give me a little room here. I'm still a little foggy. I was looking for a drop. We didn't exactly get it. But overall, we're kind of rounding out. I'm seeing some more continuation, but I mean, we're definitely oversold on the day, but I wouldn't say that that's going to stop us from continuing to sell off. We are below the expected move for the week. So the expected move was 15,300. And so the delta, I think, is 211 on the NASDAQ. So that should take us down to 15,100, right around there. Yeah, it looks like we're already starting to drop. So let's see if we get some continuation. If I can find an entry, I definitely want to get in short. I have a little pivot point marked off here at the 15,180. So we'll see what happens with that. If we drop below it, I think I'll try to get in below here. If we pop up, I'll be looking for an entry short in here. But I'm going to try to keep my stops tight, because we might be reversing. We might get a big push up. Don't know. But yeah, this is not looking good for the market. So let's see what we do. Hey, what's up, Barry? Wow, nice job, man. 1352 on the news. Well done, bud. Well done. Oh, good job, Sam. Way to go, man. You guys are already killing it. Okay, looks like the market's about to open. We have about 30 seconds left. So let's see what we do. If we pull up into this zone here, I'm going to be just kind of waiting. An entry could be here at the 15,220 or the 15,233. So I'd like to grab that, but I might just let it kind of play out. And let's see if we, reverse off of one of those levels, come back down, and then maybe I'll just try to get him back down here. I'm really not sure yet. I'm going to kind of just feel it out, see what happens. Here we go. So the market is open. Let's see what we get. See what we get. Good morning. Thanks for joining. So big sell-off. I'd like to see if we can make it down to, a little bit further down. Let's see, the next zone down I have marked off starts at 15,111. It's pretty volatile. I think I'm gonna just go in with one. Take one contract. We'll see. We'll see how the setup is. Alright, so I'm going to see if this holds here. If it jumps a bit on that pivot, I'm going to just get out. But I'm already short. Hold that just for a little bit. Let's see what we get. Okay, so before we get down to the next zone, looks like I have all the 50s marked off. So 15,151. So we're going to watch out for something crazy around there. And then we have 15,130 and then 15,122. So the way the market is, though, we might just blow right past all that stuff. Maybe we'll hesitate a little bit around the 50. But I'm going to be looking for 15,111. And then let's see if we can get down to the bottom of that zone. That's 15,081. So far so good. We're only in about 18 points. I'm going to put my stop here, break even. Hopefully I don't get taken out. If we get a crazy snapback off the 50, I might just get out and then just look for another entry to get back in. I'm about to get stopped out. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I got stopped out. Stopped out at break even. That stinks. I was looking for a bit more. I could have taken profit, you know, after it pulled up, it sunk back down around the upper 60s. I just wanted to let it play out. That's okay. All right, so let's see, we still have a minute and 15. So we had snapped over the 180. So I'm gonna just kind of wait this see what happens. Otherwise, if we didn't do that, and if we held 180 like really solid, I would have just got back in at the 180 right now. But I'm not sure. Oh, nice job, Barry. Okay, so it looks like we have just under 30 seconds to go. If we can close around the 70 mark, I think that'd be good, and then I'd consider getting back in at the 80, assuming that we get a pop-up. But if we're going to close around 80, I'm going to just wait it out. Let's see what's been watching Tesla. I got some open positions I got to manage. Let's see. Hopefully you see some continuation here. You're really banking on some continuation to the downside. Alright, so we're in the next 5 minute. Alright, so we closed over that pivot, and then you see we dropped down. I totally missed it because I was looking at my phone. That would have been a good entry to go long off the 80. So let's see what we do. Let's see if we get back up in here. If we close up in the zone, I might be looking for a long entry. I'm going to try a short. See if we can tag the 207, 206. That's a wicked candle, though. I'm going to keep it really tight. There we go. We might be pushing up into the zone, but I'm going to play my zone. Okay, and I'm going to give it a 7-point stop. Alright, hopefully you guys didn't hear me cough. I tried to block that out. Let me know if that still got through. I'm sorry if it did. Let's see. So, wow, we just missed that zone. Alright, that's cool. Let's see if we get a drop down. If we close below the pivot, I'll be looking for an entry underneath that pivot again. Go. Let's see what we get. I'm going to try to scalp one. If we get a quick drop here, I'll just take a quick profit. Shoot for 10 minutes. Come on. So I Nice job, Barry. You're kicking my butt this morning. I got one break-even trade, and then I got a red one. Oh, I'm just looking for one more. I'll try this one more time. Definitely don't feel like I'm out of my game this week. Yeah, you are, man. You've been killing it. Time you're in here, you're crushing it. Alright, just missed my entry there, but this thing's really zooming. We just popped right out of the zone. So if anything, if we close up there, then I'll look at taking a long off the top. So entry would be 234. What do we have? 2 minutes left on that candle. So I'm going to let that play out. Well done, man. You hit your goal. 500 a week out of that cash account. Nice job. All right, so we got 40 seconds left here on this candle. If we were to close in the upper 20s, I'd try to get in on the 20, I think, or 22. 25 there. Yeah, if we close around up here, I like this here for a long at the 21, 22 mark. Got 4 seconds left. See if I can get filled. I did not get filled. You're kidding. Trying to get down to 22.50. Might still have a chance. There we go. So we are in. Hopefully we get a bounce. Looks like I'm going to have to get out if we drop a little bit lower. I'll give it to the bottom of the zone. Come on. Let's go. Let's see if we can get tagged at 39. At this point, I got a mental stop, break even. Take one off the top here. Let's get stopped out. Fingers on the trigger. I just haven't pulled it yet. Really hoping we bounce. Nice, man. Yeah, no one to call it quits. Alright, I'll see about getting back in here on the bottom. I'm just functioning so slow right now. Wow. Yeah, I am not on my game this week. Yeah, I did. I got tagged, bud. Yeah, I don't know if I should even be trading today. My head's still super fuzzy. But I am back in a funded account though, so today I have the Top Step funded going. I need to pull up my Apex later too. That's still an eval. But this is not a good start. Funded account. Well, if we hold this zone, we should still be looking long. If not, then we might flip back short, or I might flip back short. But it looks like the market wants to reverse, though. So we'll see. But yeah, if we pop below this thing, I might be flipping back short. Slow with the trigger. Yeah, it's a bad entry. Let's see if it holds. If it pops back in there, I just gotta get out. Alright, that's it. That's really bad trade. Yeah, sorry guys, I am not at my best today. I feel really bad. This is a bad show. We'll see. Let's see what the market brings. But I'll have to stop it there. But I'm cool to hang out for a little bit. And then I think I'm just going to close up shop. But I think we're still going to sell off. I'm feeling pretty short biased here. So, I don't know. But this big green candle on the 15 though, that's it's telling a different story. So let's see what we do with that. Hey, good morning. Thanks for joining. Oh, so quick update. We're getting close to that 500 mark. I think last time I checked, we were at 390. So another 110 subscribers, and we'll be doing the giveaway. So I got that 300K eval account with Apex Trader funding. I will be giving away. So anyone that you know of that is looking to get started with a prop firm, tell them to come check out the channel and they can subscribe. Make sure they're also joined up in Discord. And if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do that because I'm going to be pulling names out of Discord when we do it's a wheel spin, so it can auto pick a name. So pretty excited for that. Get one of you guys started on that, or maybe you'll just add it to the accounts that you already have, which is cool too. You know, it's just more opportunity. Alright, so we still have a minute left on this candle. Closing down in this area, I think a short looks good. If it pulls back up to something like this, 200, 207, I'll actually put in some orders there. So I'll put one in at 200, and then I'll put another one at 207. My stop's going to be 210. If we get that, we already pushed down to 180. Start setting that up now. Okay, my stop set in place. There we go. We're closing below 180, it looks like. So that's not going to work. Maybe. Alright, let's see if it works out. Looks like we pulled back up to 193. So let's see if we get a little bit more. Oh boy, watch out. Watch out with those setups that you can't resist. Oh, those have gotten me in so much trouble. Hey, but you know your setups. If it's really good, then why not? Looks like the IWM is still just selling. Russell's at 1852. Russell's at like, looks like it's already 3 standard deviations down. They had an expected move of 25 points this week. The lower end was 1900. It's down to 1850. So that's pretty interesting. Yeah, look at that curve. That's insane. Looks like we're working our way up. Let's see if I get tagged in. Seven. All right, so we hit the half-hour mark. So there's one. If we sell off straight from there, cool with me. I need to gain some ground, recover some ground. So I might just close my position and then leave the next one open, or leave my my limit order up. So we'll see what we do here. But because we didn't just jump right through it, then I'll just grab whatever profits here, and then I'll try to get back in again at the 207. Alright, so I messed up there. I had 2 orders go through. I was just trying to close the one. Somehow I'm long, and I don't want to be. That stinks. I'll give it a minute. Alright. Yeah, I'm just making weird mistakes today. Yeah, thanks, Barry. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely call it here. I have no business trading right now. My mind is like not there. Alright, sorry guys. So that's gonna be it for me for today. I know it's a real short one. So good luck to you. I think we're going to see some continuation to the downside. Just got to find a good entry for it. The 200 was a good entry. Wow. My head is just so fuzzy. That's all. So, yeah, let's see what we get. But good luck to you guys. I'm going to call it. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, right? Yeah, I think we will, man. I think we will. This thing's going down. So it's going to be a crazy drop. Alright. Well, you guys have a good one.